Hi, I'm Paul Avery. I'm a product training engineer with Yaskawa's Technical Training Services. This video explains how to take advantage of DriveWizard HVAC's informative help file, customization options, and update features. The Help tab contains some useful resources for the DriveWizard user. Within the Help tab, you will find the Program Help file, which consists of an entire user's manual for everything in the software. Help is offered in easy-to-understand descriptions and handy visuals to reinforce each topic. All topics are indexed in alphabetical order, and keywords can be searched for in the Search tab. There is also a Drive documentation icon that contains hot links to download the technical manuals for all supported drives. The Options icon is where you can access the customization settings of DriveWizard HVAC and also details the currently installed database. This is where you can configure all pop-up window and warning messages. For example, if you do not care about a drive and project file not matching up due to KVA size, you can eliminate that nuisance message. Another helpful option is to have the hexadecimal communication address in the parameter overview window. You can also set DriveWizard HVAC to store the last known monitor and status panel signals. Also in the Options window, you can select if you would like DriveWizard HVAC to automatically check for updates on startup. If this is enabled, DriveWizard HVAC will connect to Yaskawa's server to check if an update for the program is available. Of course, an internet connection is required for this function. If there are any issues with the auto update, verify that it is not being blocked by a local firewall. Well, this concludes the last topic of our DriveWizard HVAC tips and tricks overview. Whether you're a DriveWizard novice or a user with some experience with Yaskawa Drive software, I hope that you found some useful information and examples in this video. If you have any questions about the information presented in this e-learning module, please feel free to contact Yaskawa's technical support group, either by phone, email, or via our website. Thank you.